You know I am the one. You know you're the one. You know I am the one. You know you're the one.
Hello guys, so welcome to my channel, just Ikea, and of course it's your girl Ikea. So this week I'll be doing a tutorial on this hairstyle, and you know what's on my hair, this full curl from Hairsenta, and everything I use in this video would be linked down in the description box. And yes, so I'm not going to talk too much, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do try this simple hairstyle, please tag me in your pictures on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Ikea. So yes, let's just get right into the video. Guys, so for this hairstyle you're going to need a hairbrush, some clips, then you're going to need a spray bottle in case your hair is, yes, and then we are going to need some hair accessories. I used beads, and then some kinky hair extensions. Then for the gel, I used the Cream of Nature Snot gel, styling gel, and then I'll be moisturizing with the shea butter from Hairsenta, and the hair is also from them as well. It's the full curl 12 inches, and I use just one bundle for this hairstyle. Quite pleasantly, they do have a full pony, so you can get the full pony. Instead of doing this, you can get the full pony, but I like using the bundle, that is the weft, because I can later on use it as a weave. But otherwise you can simply get the full pony and just attach it and you are done. No need for the hassle. So for this hairstyle, I just wanted to put my sections away to make it easier. So you see me sectioning of the front parts, because most of the time when I do the ponytail, it's not every piece of hair from the front part of my head that enters the back ponytail. So I'm just sectioning that part away and adding the back sections to it to work on it later. So after I was done, I just went on ahead to, flat twist that little section that I took. I added some hair extensions so that it doesn't look, how should I put it? It adds volume to the hair. So I did some flat twist, and as you can see, for the pattern and everything, I used my hands, so they are not that neat, but they will do because I wasn't really going anywhere with this hairstyle. I just did it because yes. And forgive me for the quality of the video. This video is like, I did this video a long time ago. I didn't want to post it, but it was wasting space on my laptop, and I was like, it's a good video, someone might be interested in trying the hairstyle, so why not edit it and put it out. So forgive me if the video quality is just some way behind. The lighting is just anyways. So I did both flat twist on both sides, and yeah. So to work on the back section, I'm going to, because I want as much, I want it to be as flat as possible. So I've sectioned my hair into two, the back portion into two, and I've done a simple ponytail at the back, making it as tight as possible without it hurting me. And I just simply twist it to keep it stretched. And I don't really like gel on my hair, so that's the only reason why I didn't use gel on the back portion. Only the part of the hair, that is the top part where it would show. That's the only part I used gel. But other than that, I don't really like gel on my hair and didn't put it on the back section, so I applied gel to the, to the top of the hair, and then I, you know put it back into a hairband. Please forgive me for saying, put it into the hairband, and I think it's self-explanatory, but yeah. After I've made it as flat as possible, I just go in again to be, quite sure. And please don't use colored, you know, ribbons like I did. Use a black one. That way it will be easier to conceal. Don't use colored ones like me. Now I'm hopeless at doing my edges, but I tried to do something with this hairstyle, and yeah, that's what I could do. So please don't steal your mother's duku like I did. Recently, I just got this glorious main satin scarf, and you guys should check them out for quality satin scarf that's actually work. This is my mother's duku. I stole it. Don't come for me. So for the hair beads, I just use crochet pins. So you just put the hair into the um, beads using the crochet, and then you tie the crochet around the last bead, and you are done. So from there, I go on to, comb out my fro curl to get the afro look. Now it's just one bundle, but it will look like two because I've cut the bundle. It's quite long, very long. And I'll just, circle the weft around my pony. And then bobby pin it, and yeah, this is the second piece, but it's still just one bundle like I said already. Like there was no weft showing after I was done, so there was no need concealing it. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys try it out, and thank you for watching this week's video.